Good day, sir. I'm Ira Marcianti Domingo, Forensic Chemistry and Toxicology. The activity for today is all about collection and preservation of biological evidences, especially blood and body fluid collections. There are 4 methods on how to collect blood and body fluids that can be found at crime scene. First is cutting, second is stiff lifting, third is sweat absorption, and last scraping. The first method that we're going to perform is cutting. The investigator needs to do is to cut a portion of the item where the suspected blood stain adheres. The instrument we use is sterilized cutting